Good morning, love bugs. It's Miss Cross. Welcome to Tuesday of week 4 of CSI. If you want to go ahead and pull out Staying Warm, your second assignment for this week, I would love to go through it with you. So I know this sounds like it's getting repetitive, which means I say it a lot, but this is going to be a good tool for you to use next year. So what were the two things that I always tell you to check before reading? I'll give you a hint. The title, and also, if they give you one, they don't always a picture. So, this book is called Staying Warm, or this reading is called Staying Warm. So go ahead and follow along with me. How do clothes keep you warm? Clothes keep you from losing body heat. That's because clothes trap air. The heat from your body cannot get through the air. Snow works in the same way. It traps lots of air. People lost in winter storms sometimes dig holes in the snow. This helps them keep warm. So we now know that it's talking a lot about clothes and staying warm. The title's talking about staying warm. Does this guy over here look like he is staying warm? I'd say so. Look, he has a scarf on and a hat. It looks like it's snowing and he's got boots. His hands are in his pockets. So he is doing whatever he can to stay warm. So those are just the clues that I picked up. So let's look at number 1. Which sentence is most likely true? So A says people need layers of clothing in summer. B, people wear layers of clothing in cold places. Or C, people use snow to keep cool in summer. So when we're talking about what's most likely true, there's always ones that's 100% correct, one that's kind of right, and one that's wrong. So go ahead and go through and cross out any of the ones that are not correct. For number 2, it says the main idea of this paragraph is. So remember, the main idea is what is the most important thing that happened in that story. A says how to stay warm in winter storms. B, kinds of clothes to wear in winter. Or C, trapping body heat to stay warm. So remember, go back through and you can always cross out one that is not correct. The last one, number 3, this is where you're going to write something. Remember, if you are not able to click on the document, this week you should be able to for sure. You can always write this on a piece of paper and just send me a picture. So number 3 says, write one way that clothes and snow are alike. So remember, how are they the same? Think about my chocolate chip cookies that I posted a couple weeks ago. How were they the same? They were both cookies. They both had chocolate chips. But when they were different, remember, they weren't exactly both circle, but it doesn't even ask you how they're different. It just wants you to know, how are they the same? So you go back up here, I would try to look at all the things that happen with the snow and all the things that clothes can do and see, do they have anything alike? All right, Knights, hopefully you don't have too many questions with this today, but if you do, remember, I am always online between 10 and 10:30. Shoot me a message and we can set up a tutoring time. All right, good luck, love bugs. I miss you so much. See you soon.